lifespan of your career, it's almost guaranteed that you're going to make a mistake or two. I have Courtney from HighStyle Impression Management here to give us some tips on how to navigate through those mistakes. So thanks for being with me, Courtney. So start me off. What are some common mistakes you see within a person's career?
So a common mistake I see all the time is people not putting value into their network.
Okay, so what do you mean by value?
They're not taking the time to get out there and meet new people, adding new contacts to their network. So
expanding their network, okay.
Mm-hmm. And they're not placing value on the relationship.
Okay, so it's treating it more of a, say, an individual sale instead of long-term potential?
Exactly. You never know when you're going to run into these people again, when they may need something from you or you may need something from them.
That's true. You never know how the nature of business is going to go. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what would be the next one?
Another common mistake I see is people not getting involved, becoming too complacent in their career.
Okay, so like involved with projects, or what kind of involvement?
Exactly. They're not putting their hand up to put their hand up for that new project that's coming by. I see people have in their mind this conception of the perfect or dream job or dream project, and they won't do anything until they find that perfect job.
When realizing that maybe sometimes if they just jump in, it would present itself?
You never know where that path is going to lead you. So get involved, get out there. The other side of that is getting too involved and the job hopping.
Oh, yes.
You want to find a nice balance between getting involved and following your path wherever it's going to take you, but also respecting the investment that an employer commits to you when you're brought on.
Well, and I suppose if an employer looks at a resume and sees you've been at 10 jobs in the last 2 years, that's...
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, and what would your third one be?
Your third one is forgetting to separate yourself from your company and your personal life.
Okay, so we're talking maybe some weekend fun, that sort of thing?
Yes, I often hear the comments, oh, I'm not at work, or it doesn't matter, I can do what I want, say what I want.
We're never, what's that saying, an island unto ourselves?
Exactly.
So say something comes up where maybe you had a bit of fun on the weekend and all of a sudden it's on social media. How do you broach that with your employer?
I would be any situation where you find yourself, you made a mistake, whether on the weekend or outside of office hours, address it, confront it immediately, try to resolve the situation, speak directly to the individual involved, do everything you can to make amends.
Thank you so much for these tips, Courtney. Guys, for more of our tips, tricks, and ideas, you can visit marcandmandy.com. We've had so much fun with you today. We'll see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.